At PubPower, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We always put all of our efforts to bring the highest satisfaction experiences to our publishers. That is why we form an account managers team that will be ready 24/7 to help whenever publishers are in need. Moreover, PubPower account managers are highly trained and specialized in advertising. You can consult them anytime to have the most effective solution to your website's optimization. If you are using PubPower service and don't know how to contact your account manager, you can follow these instructions. First, log into your PubPower account. After that, at the dashboard, you will see the assigned account manager on the top right. Click on it and you will see their contact information, including email, Skype, Telegram, etc. In case you don't see any account manager, start a conversation with the support center by clicking this icon at the bottom right. You can make any request here. For example, request for how to start monetizing with PubPower or assign for an account manager and start the chat. If you are an app developer, blogger, or web owner who wants to make money through advertising, now you won't have to be on this journey alone, because PubPower account managers will accompany you every step to your financial success. Join PubPower today and start monetizing.